welcome to this video. I'm Sin and today we're opening Ozobot. It came for $120, so let's open it. I already took off the tape before the video. So this is Groot and Rocket Robotics Starter Pack. These are the Ozo skins. You think they are faceless, silly, right? And let me take out the Ozobot. It's very hard to get out. So ask a parent for help for that. Now here's the box and here's our Ozobot. Here's it. See, it has wheels on the bottom. I guess we have to activate it. If you want to activate it, this is the button on the side. There's a button on the side. When you press it, it starts to turn blue. Whoa, it's moving. Oh, it's not now. So there are 3 apps that you can use. I'll show those at the end. So now let's take this out before getting the markers. And here's the box. What's down here? I wonder. It's very hard to get up, but whoa! It looks like a whole booklet. Let's open it. Now let's see. Whoa! Hold on, let me show you the markers. Here are they. First, let me get the tape off a little. I guess I need food for this. Oh, it's on. Now, here are the markers. You can get any markers, but usually you use these markers for the color codes. Okay, guys? So now, here's its USB charger. You just plug it on the back. Oh, not this side. This side connects to something else. You plug it like this. No, I think that's upside down. You plug it like this. And then this is how it goes. Like that. Get it out. And now, let's open this booklet. This kind of booklet thingy. Let's open that. I should open it a little bit more. Now here's these Ozobot stuff. And here's one thing. It's a quick start guide. This tells you what to do. And now here's a quick guide. I'll show you some moves on this. Let me find the move first. Huh? Hey, not this. We're gonna start from here. We do it like this. Huh? It doesn't move. See that? And now here's this one. And this one, you saw that? It moves to any pattern. We do this. What? It's not moving. We do this and then it turns like that. If we do this, it goes like that. If we do this, it goes like that. Like this. What's happening? Oh. It goes like that. And then like this, it goes like that. And for this, it goes like that. You saw it? It's amazing. And now here's a lot more. These are the stickers, and actually don't stick them on. You actually stick them somewhere, and then it goes into the same pattern, like that. And these are some Ozobot stickers, and these are the stickers for these things. And now, how to get this out? Oh. Then we have this. This is activity pop out. And that's the pop out. And these are also pop out. That's all in the bag. And now, before playing with it, you need to calibrate it. Press the white, pick it up, and then press it for 2 seconds until you see the white. Then place it on the dot. If it becomes green, no, it becomes blue. If it becomes green after the blue, that means it's good. If it becomes red after the blue, you have to do step 1 all over again. We are decorating these. Let's first decorate this Groot one. I'll pick this one, so let's see how you take it off. First, I got one eye and I thought that was the USB side. And here's one eye. Now let's paste the other eye. Alright guys? You can decorate, you customize it. Okay? Here's your second eye, and now let's do the third one. It's a smiley face. Ta-da! Here's it. Just push it so it's kind of good. So now let's put it on our Ozobot. Ta-da! But the side of the hole actually goes. Now here's the Ozobot. And this one I'll decorate later because it's not the Ozobot. It's not the Ozobot yet. Or let me decorate it now. I'll pick the one in the same place. This one. It's another eye sticker. Just put on the black. Like ha ha ha. Let's do a second one. Just let me peel it off. Now here's the third one. It's a face. And ta-da! Here's the second cap. And now we're gonna put these ear stuff on it. So let me put this wooden guy thingy first. You just put it on the line. And here's it. You think it's not good? If it's not good, just press it later until it's good. And now let's do this raccoon guy. Pushing it out. Don't push both out. The other one for if you lost the first one. And then you put it on. Oh, it's not putting on. Or it's not getting on. Oh. Here's it. Now I just drew this line, and you can get any marker, but you usually use this marker. So don't forget to make the line sick, not sin. So now let's put on its jacket on here. It's actually called Ovo Skin. Let's put it on, and now let's turn it on, and then put it here. See that? And just someone came in, so I seen that it's moving. If you put in that, it will move so well. That it will glow. Someone just turned off the lights, sorry. Now it's the end of it. And bye, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll demonstrate more about this in the next episode. Bye.